Welcome back to Adventures with Alex and Tammy. Today I'm going to tackle replacing the battery on my son's 2008 Harley Fatbob. For some of you who may know, the Fatbob was originally in the Dyna family, and in 2018 Harley discontinued the Dyna family, and now the Fatbob is in the Softail family. Nevertheless, my son's off to dental school, and I figured while it was crummy weather here today in Utah, I'd go ahead and tackle replacing the battery. The bike hasn't been ridden for a couple of years, so I'm not sure if there's a battery in there or not. My son thinks there isn't, but we're going to find out here in a minute. So to gain access to the battery, it's behind this panel. On my on my Street Glide, you have to take off the seat to get to the battery, but on this bike, you don't, which I'm kind of grateful because the passenger grab strap is actually mounted to the fender, so that'd be a little bit difficult to get to, and I don't know how to do that. So on this, just like the Dynas of old, we'll remove the battery cover there and gain access to the battery. So first off, we're going to need to take our Phillips screwdriver and remove this screw here that holds the battery cover in place. While I was looking at this earlier, I was happy to see that we have a pigtail for the battery tender. If not, I was gonna grab one out of the closet and put one on. All right, so we should be able to just tease this up. I know there's a couple little tabs there that we gotta clear on top of the battery housing itself. Set that aside. All righty. Go ahead and disconnect the positive first. Set that down on the floor. Get this out of the way. And we'll disconnect the negative side. I elected to go with a OEM battery. I actually bought this battery as a Christmas gift for my son, and I figured I would stick with the HD product. Don't know if it's any better. Certainly you could have went with another brand, but I figured since it was a Christmas present, why not? I was a little bit taken back though. It was $186 before taxes here at my local Harley dealer. Get that out of place, out of the way. And this will be the one we'll install. Part number there, in case any of you are looking what you might need from HD to replace yours on your machine. I'm gonna just kind of get this into place, use the housing as a little holder. I think it'd be a little easier if I could take the seat off, but frankly, that strap there is holding me in. So, all right, pretty easy so far. Get this back into place. Not a lot of wiggle room here in the battery compartment, but that's probably just as well. Less likely for things to come unfastened or loosen up on you while you're getting down the road. Okay, got that. I'll go with the negative side. Okay, looks nice, tidy. Make sure I'm all the way back. Let's see if we can't get that protective cap to go into place a little better. There we go. All right. I grab a zip tie and secure that first. All right. I think I'm going to use the battery strap as my base to hold the wire in place. That way when I remove my hands, put the cover on, it doesn't fall to the bottom and have to fish that back up. That being said, let's hope that everything goes back into place. Okay, don't know, it's a little bulky right through there. We'll find out. Okay, grab the cover. Just gonna tease the seat up a little bit to get that upper leading edge back to where it needs to go. All right. replace the screw. You know, I'm thinking here as I'm tightening this up, not that it's a big deal, but I should have turned the key. So let's go ahead and grab the camera, move up to the bike, move up to the dash. Let's see if we got magic. Hey, let there be light. Okay, looks like we're good. All right, that was pretty easy. Got our pigtail here, put the cover back on. See if I can do this with one hand. All right. With my son away at dental school, he won't know if I'm riding or not. So I think I'll push this out of the garage here in a minute and take it around the neighborhood for a while. Well, that was easy peasy. I think we should fire up the bike and see how she sounds. That sounds damn good to me. With the great weather we're having here today, I think it's time we get out on the road, test her out for a few. Hey, we'd appreciate if you guys wouldn't mind hitting the like button. Subscribe if you can. Tammy and I are trying to build the channel, and we'd appreciate your support. Until next time, this is Alex saying so long. Take care.